I'm making my first attempt at homemade tomato sauce with ingredients from my garden. These are all the tomatoes, and this is basil. There is oregano in there, garlic from the garden, and I put this, it's a very mild pepper. It's a shishito pepper. So I put some salt and some olive oil on it, and I'm going to throw it in the oven on 350 for 45 minutes. Okay, this is the focaccia bread that I made, and it's got rosemary and garlic from the garden. This is the chocolate zucchini bread that I made today, and you see it's over half gone. And this is lettuce that I'm gonna have with dinner. There's some rosemary in there also. But yeah, I'm living my best life, man. This is what I was meant to do.